Hello everybody. Today I'm doing another meal time, obviously. Also I'm very tired today, so yeah. Oh, sorry, don't mind that. That was a text. Anyways, yeah, I'm kinda tired. I don't mind my playing animal either. It looks so weird, I know that. This looks really weird. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna do another meal time. It's really late. It's not really late, but I'm just tired because it's Friday night. Anyways, I have a lot more jags than last time. So, yeah, let's get into this mail time, I guess. Gonna make this a little shorter. I don't know if it's gonna really work, but I'm gonna try and make this a little bit shorter than last time. But I have more, so I don't know how it's gonna work. Anyways, let's get started though. First gift from Bianca88168 said sorry socks and sent me a rhino helmet. Don't know what this to do with socks, but thank you anyways. Panda77011 sent me a snowflake balloon. Thank you. Melanie3637 said have a great day. Jam on. Yep, I'm jamming on. Thank you for that clothing beta. Wolfwars46. I think this is my list of buddies. Oh, he's on. Hey, shout out to you. These next couple went down are from my buddy that I asked. So Wolfwars46 sent me a Zia Spike collar. Thank you. Whoa. Said sure, XC I wouldn't say got much. Oof. And they sent me a Jamal Day bow. Thank you. That's another den beta. Mystery Masked Man said good luck with mailbox. Thank you. And thank you for that wristwatch too. Devisti said enjoy. Let me a pirate sword. I think it's a beta. That could be a beta. I don't know if I remember one or not. But anyways, thank you for that. Black Cotton Universe. Black Cotton Universe. Sorry, that was another text. Sorry, I'm getting text. They said working my way up again, XD, and sent me an eyeball hat. Thank you. Some people consider that clone bad, even though it's technically not. Oh yeah, I like this username. This is kind of weird, but anyways, this person. Their username is you pick my name please for. Sent me a smiley face. And a rare Yeti face. Thank you. Polar Bear Love said here you go. Sent me sandals. Thank you for those. Musically Talented 34 sent me rare scary bats. Thank you. Oh, just a second, guys. I'm doing something on my. Just a second. Sorry. This is taking too long. Okay, Lego Master 125 said mustache. Ah, it's a mustache! It's a brown mustache. Icy Tiger 55 sent me a ferocious feline hat. Thank you for that. Okay. Anyways. Icy Paul 01 said gift back and sent me a necklace. You're welcome for that rim. Huggles341 sent me a Jamal scarf. So thank you. La Cute 100 sent me belly shoes. Thank you. Ellie64719 said have fun. Sent me some Cuban wings. Oh yeah, thank you for those Cuban wings. Oh yeah, I got some off of the thing. Poisoned Apples, I also like this username. I like those usernames with like the dashy O. I don't know why. Anyways, Poisoned Apples sent me a top hat. Thank you. Top Hats for Wolves said Happy Christmas. And a Merry Thanksgiving. And they sent me a jelly spiked collar. Thank you. Glamcat28 sent me fairy wings. Why do they spell fairy like that? Like, that's not even the correct way to spell fairy. Like, who spells fairy like what even is that? Anyways, thank you for those fairy wings. Prifma said gift back please and sent me a rare stethoscope. I used to go like all the time. Thank you. Puppy Paul 125S said XD here and sent me a rare sparkly head bow. Beautiful, you spelled that wrong. Beautiful 26 sent me a feather damask. Thank you. Ovals 101 said please give back something small, like a pink double tail. I didn't have a pink double tail, but it's some brand antlers. I see a lot of people wearing it. Just like, anyway. Next person. GM Pelt said here and sent me rare scary belly. I just got a pair of those. Thank you. Lee is me. Oh yeah, we kind of had a thing going on here. Between me and Lee is me, we had something going on here about some yeets, you'll see. Where'd they go? Oh wait, no, I opened them in my other mail time. Never mind. You remember the yeet? Yeet, 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 yeet. Well, she sent me other ones that infinite yeet. Steve, and she sent me a masterpiece with yeet on it. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. It says Yeet Wars. That's her and that's me, I'm assuming. Oh, that's Yeet Wars. Thank you for that masterpiece. I love that masterpiece. Yeah, we were having some Yeet Wars. Anyways, Chloe said, please give something good. I'm struggling. Thank you for that diamond necklace. You gave me lots of gems. Snowy Ice. 2 from Snowy Ice. This one said, so for you, but I'm definitely gonna win. I think she was sorry for you. It sent me a real tiara. Thank you. And she said, again, I think you're supposed to be gifting her. She said, thank you so much, gifting her. It sent me a rare star hat. Thank you for that clothing bit. Why am I getting such a clothing bit? And now she sent me first. Today's my birthday. Best gift was an orange short, and sent me a star rug. That for that other dummy. I think it's what the did. I don't know. Anyways, but thank you anyways. And Jammers Online said here and sent me a rare spike birthday. Bro, this will be the first spike of the mail time, bro. This is good. I got me some blue short wrist. I need some short wrist, people. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, Jammers Online. A big shout out to them, Jammers Online. It's gonna buddy you. Buddy, you get me a buddy. Ards7 sent me a designer skirt. Thank you for that black designer skirt. Down to the last couple gifts here. Carmen Plays AJ sent me a pirate sword. That could also be a beta, but it might also not be a beta. Last gift, Papal Jammer 8LD15 said hey and sent me another royal tiara. Thank you for that. Well, this is a very good mail time. I'm getting clothing bands. I'm getting short wristing. Oh, this is a good mail time, people. Thank you for your gifts. Thank you so much. It's always appreciated. Oh yeah, guys. No! Quick second, didn't mean to do that. I meant to show you it, not take it off my trade list. That is not what I meant to do. Just so you know that is not what I meant to do at all. Let's see this one. Look at this cool masterpiece I got from Chocolate for Froggy Bros! Broski Bros. Let me see what they said to me. Sorry for that loading sign, I can't really speak very well. But as you can see, it's a rose. I'm obsessed with roses. And like, it's so cool. I traded a short collar and nerves for it. It's so cool. I'm really happy. Oh yeah. I don't know if you've seen it yet, but this is the one. Got a blue jay one. It's really good. And this one is my Heine art guide. Like, I said it was 0. It's a name called it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. As always, like and subscribe, please. Yeah, please more subscribers. I'm stuck at 11. Yeah. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching the mail time. Thank you for everybody who gifted me. Thank you so much. Couldn't do this without you. I hope you guys have a great day, evening, night, morning, whatever it is for you. It's night for me, but if you're watching this, anybody does, if you made this far, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a nice day, and all the things. Have a great school day, weekend, whatever it is when you're watching this, and yeah, peace out, bye.